friends. આજે આપણી સાથે એક લેડી આંટ્રપ્રિન્યોર છે. Actually, I have done my graduation in entrepreneurship and I know કે કેટલા બધા hurdles પછી લેડીઝ બિઝનેસ આગળ લઈ જાય છે અને પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વિંગ એટીટ્યુડ સાથે એક અચીવમેન્ટ તરફ દોડે છે. Today we have Jina. She is into completely different profession, and that is she is germinologist and she is also graduate in Pulse. Hello, Gina. How are you?
Hi. Thank you.
I'm
Good,
so
good.
happy to introduce you. I'm so happy.
Same here.
So,
Happy to
can you
connect.
shortly tell me about your education and how did you get into that? Little in briefly.
Okay. See, it's like my journey started from Surat, which is called the world's diamond hub, right? So my journey started from there. I went to Surat. I started my diamond grading, jewelry designing program, and I worked with two really big, nice companies in India, and then moved to States, joined GIA, completed my graduate gemologist, Pearl graduation, jewelry arts, and jewelry history of jewelry designing from Christie's. So yeah, there's no turn back. You know, I knew my way, and I
Yes.
have kept forwarding on it. And we moved to Canada in 19, and then I decided enough of working. Now I've got enough experience. Now I should start my own venture. And yeah, here I am. With Gina's help.
In Pulse. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Now, actually, I want to know about Pulse today. You might have given many answers about gems and everything, but today we will more focus about Pulse because people don't know much about that. So, Jenna, can you please tell me, Pulse જ્યારે લેવા જાય છે લેડીઝ ત્યારે એમને મેક્સિમમ ક્વેશ્ચન એ હોય છે કે આ પર્સ સાચા છે કે ખોટા. તો એ શેર કરી શકો કે how to identify that?
Okay, see, first of all, there is big difference between
Okay.
real / natural and cultured pearls. So
Okay.
nowadays, 95% market ma je pan pearls available છે, whatever pearls you're seeing in the market are cultured. Okay. Yeah. So always, whoever is going out to purchase the pearls, they must use the phrase cultured, not real.
Okay.
Because real is equals to natural. Natural જેમ કે diamonds હોય છે, right? Natural diamonds. જેને આપણે ઇન્ડિયામાં બધા કહેતા હોય છે કે real diamonds છે કે નહીં. So real is not a real word. It's a natural. So always use, you know, ત્યાંથી જ જે તમારા સામે ઊભો હશે seller, ત્યાંથી જ એને ખબર પડી જશે કે okay, is this customer coming with a proper knowledge background? And then તમે જોજો એનો રિસ્પોન્સ તમારી તરફનો કેવો હશે. So use the word natural or cultured. Right.
Okay.
95% of the pearls in market ma che, those are cultured pearls. Those are not natural because natural pearls are very, very, very rare now. Very rare. Okay. Yes. એટલે જે પહેલા જે રીતના બનતા હતા અને હવે જે રીતનું છે એમાં there is like a huge difference. હું તમને એવું કહું કે નાની બરાબર છે, but still there are natural pearls available, but the costings are too high.
Okay, got it.
Yes.
But then what are culture pearls?
Okay, so the cultured pearls, okay, so the simple definition, if I tell you, natural pearls means they produce without any human interference. Any જાતે જે બને છે, right? And wherein cultured pearls, they produce with human interference. એટલે જ્યારે અને pearls, people knows કે okay આ pearls છે આ દરિયામાંથી આવે છે, but આ કઈ રીતના? તો જે culture pearl બનાવવાની પણ જે formation છે, જે technique છે, it's the same like natural. Same pearl farms છે, એમાં fresh water માં જાય છે, salt water માં જાય છે, you know, oyster ને disturb કરે અને એની અંદર એ લોકો plastic નું bead આવે insert કરે અને પછી એની અંદર cultivation થાય. That's called cultured pearls. And there are 4 main types of culture pearls. First is the Akoyas. Yeah, the first one is Akoyas. The second one is South Sea, Tahitian, and freshwater culture pearls. તમે જે મેક્સિમમ માર્કેટમાં જોતા હશો ને that is a fresh water culture pearls maximum because એક એવા pearls છે જે 2 mm એટલે નાનાથી નાનામાં લઈને 16 18 mm સુધી પણ અવેલેબલ હોય છે.
Okay, availability ના કારણે those are in the market.
Exactly, because of the size, because of the price. Freshwater culture pearls are not too expensive. They are beautiful as well as anybody can, afford it. Mostly giftings માટે પણ freshwater culture pearls એટલા જ ચાલે છે. Akoyas is the best qualities, the small pearls. And yeah, those are like a small pearl. એટલે કોઈ તમને એમ કહે કે આ અકોયા છે, always check the luster because એકદમ silky satin luster હશે. તમને એવું લાગે કે જ્યારે તમે satin નું કોઈ કપડું પકડ્યું હોય હાથમાં, and then what the kind of luster you see, those kind of luster you will see on that pearl.
Okay.
And એના પર overtone હશે, pink overtone, so you see like a rainbow effect on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
I was about it.
Yes, so that is how the culture.
અને આ જે yes, જે culture pearls છે એ authentic છે કે નહીં એનું પણ એક હશે ને કે how to identify that.
Yeah, so see, basically if it's a culture pearl and if you want to see whether it's authentic or not, then the differentiating you are doing is with plastic. Because there are so many plastic pearls available. Yeah, a plastic કેવું હશે તમે આમ હાથમાં પકડશો તો તમને લાગશે સાવ હલકું છે. It's like a very lightweighted, How you hold a plastic in your hand and there is no weight, so it's like a heft. We call it heft. So that is the first thing. Secondary, try to like we scratch something, try to just scratch it little with your nail and you see the coating coming out. That's a plastic.
આપણે ફોતરું હોય કશાકની ઉપર ને yes
same exactly. તમે જેમ like if you are holding a roasted chana with a coat on it and then you take it out, it would be like that, Okay. So it's a plastic. Culture pearl ma એવું કોઈ દિવસ નહીં થાય. If it's authentic, if it's a nicely made, it would never happen that with a culture pearl.
Okay.
The second test is a blink test, but again, it's a little bit of a practice. I have to show you practically how to do the blink test, but you can do that blink test also. That's what I do whenever I go on the trade shows to buy my cultured pearls. I always do the blink, but we usually buy it from the farms, directly from Vietnam, Philippines. અમે લોકો directly pearl farms માંથી જ pearls લઈએ છીએ.
Okay. જીના એક બીજી મને એ બહુ જ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ લાગી રહ્યો છે કલ્ચર પર્લ્સ નું. તો મને એવું થાય છે કે થોડી નાની આમ બ્રીફમાં હિસ્ટ્રી કહી શકો, that will be very much adding information to my end also.
Of course. See, pearls, it started and then it ended, and it has seen an era. Once upon a time, pearl was like a status symbol. Even they were counted more statistically symbolic than diamonds. If a lady is sitting with a pearl and if a lady is sitting with diamonds, the lady sitting with pearl was like, more admirable.
Yeah, and very gorgeous look. And pearls matter to kehvay છે કે you never go wrong with pearls.
Exactly.
You wear it and it's always perfect.
Exactly. If you're wearing the right kind of pearl in your neck, because see, pearls are counted as the best corporate jewelries. Pearls are counted as the best evening adornments. Pearls, a lady can carry pearls anywhere on any kind of outfit,
Informal parties, weddings, everywhere she can.
Everywhere, exactly. So ત્યારે જે history start થઈ pearl ની, right? જેમ slowly and gradually people started knowing it, any demands વધતી ગઈ. But then, but see, it comes from the sea, right? It is coming from the sea route. So what happens when people knows, okay, this is the best thing to go for right now. So what happens? Businesses increases. So so dhime vastu rare thati gayi. After a certain period of time, it started getting rare, and it started becoming so much in demand. Any price વધતી જ ગઈ. So one point of a time એવું હતું કે pearl was not affordable because of rarity. What we call is a diminishing marginal utility in the economics. Supply falls and demand rise. So exactly that happens.
Yeah.
પછી એની સાથે સાથે કલ્ચર પલ્સ બનવાના સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયા. If you know the person or if you know the brand Mikimoto,
Mikimoto, yes.
he is the first person who started cultivating pearls, who started culturing pearls, who started experimenting. He did so many experiments, but at the end he got succeeded. And today Mikimoto is one of the world's renowned pearl cultured company.
Okay.
And yes, and they are the pearls, the quality of Mikimoto's are super gorgeous. They are always amazing to carry, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's a Japanese. He's a Japanese man. He's from Japan, and the brand is still continuing. And this is a little bit of a history of pearl. But if you see, you know, there are so many kings, queens.
Lady Victoria, I remember, you know, whenever you see her, she's, you know, like she's with pearls and she looks so gorgeous. It's a status symbol, I think. Pearls, if you're wearing it.
It is status symbol, and honestly, it's a pure, you know, it's an organic gemstone. It's so soft, it's so mild in looking. Maintenance is also very important with pearls, you know, because it's an organic, you can't handle it like you handle the gemstones, you know. Some gemstones are very tough, but diamond is the toughest. But when you talk about pearl is a softer. So you have to be very careful with pearl. Just pearl buying, okay, you did a first good thing, but second good thing you have to do is the carrying of the same pearl.
Yes. So what would you like to share? Like how to maintain those pearls, which you have already bought. So what you should do?
See, first of all, pearl are hazardous to, you know, they are not so much tolerable with chemicals, oil, perfumes. So the theory goes with any kind of jewelry, you know, once you're 100% ready, then wear it, then style it. And then once you are out, okay, fine, maintain it in a well manner. Once you are home, just take out your pearl and put it in its proper packing, you know. Every 1 or 2 years, you have to restring your pearl.
Okay.
It is most important because what happens, pearls are beaded in the silk thread. તો તમે આજે કોઈ વસ્તુ થ્રેડમાં પરોવી છે તો એ લૂઝ તો થવાની છે on the wear, right? Yeah, so you have to restring it. You have to make sure that you're restringing your pearls at least once in 2 to 3 years, you know, so again it becomes tight. And otherwise, you know, even if someone tries to see, oh my god, you're wearing good pearls, it'll break and, you know, everything will spill around and then you'll be crying.
And you have lost your precious, you know,
jewelry. I know. Yeah, so it's very important, you know, that you restring your pearl. You, whenever you wear it, after you wear it, when you take it out, clean it with a damp cloth. Usually whenever you buy the pearl jewelry, they do give a cleaning kit. You make sure that you clean it with a damp cloth and then again put it back in that given box and safe it. Yes, never use ultrasonic or never use the cleaning machine, nothing.
Okay. One more thing, as we are discussing about pearls, I would like to know, you know, some tips, you know, to the ladies who really like to, you know, decked up and go out. Kyare pearls પહેરવા જોઈએ? What are the occasions? Kaya outfit સાથે you should carry, you know, થોડી tips.
Pearl is such a thing, as I said earlier, right? You can carry it, you can wear it with any kind of outfits. So for an example, as we both are coming from the Gujarati background, I would like to touch up the point with the Gujarati, you know, how they should wear the pearls, how I wear my pearls. So whenever we are wearing the sari in a Gujarati style, make sure you're wearing a long string or you're wearing a choker of pearl, you know, pearl choker.
Yes.
I think nowadays, even whenever I do my bridal trousseau, usually for the mother to a bride, I make a pearl choker.
Oh, that gives very like gorgeous and again little elegant.
Elegance, exactly. And I don't wear the pearl like you wear it till here and then the back you wear with the thread, you know, the thread adjustment. No, wear it all over. Trust me, it would look really beautiful. You don't want to wear something till here. You want to wear something which goes all around. You know, even you wear diamond necklace, anything. Wear something which is all over. Okay,
Yes.
so that is the first thing. Whereas long pearl necklaces, India mein એને કહે છે Rani Har. Those looks
Rani har.
beautiful, right?
Yeah.
If you are working women, if you are wearing formals every day, wear a simple, nice pearl string, or wear a nice small pearl pendant. You can wear Tahitian pearl, which are the grayish in tone.
Okay.
They bring out your boldness, you know. If you wear the Tahitian pearl, not everybody can carry Tahitian pearl. I love Tahitian more than anything. So
Okay.
whenever I buy something for my own self, my eyes goes to either Tahitian or to South Sea because I love it. South Sea for the size, Tahitian for the tone. So have one Tahitian pearl collection in your wardrobe because it goes with everything. It goes with black, blue, purple. I do a lot of styling also, right? So when we
Yes.
are doing styling, we use pearls. We use a lot of pearls. Even there is a mabe pearl. Mabe pearl is nothing but the top is a pearl. Okay, and the bottom is not a pearl. It's like a shape. So we use mabe pearls to create the kurta buttons for the men's.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes. So even in Gujarati, in Punjabis, even in recently we have done for the Marwadis also, like for the Jodhpuri, you know, the males, we created the Mabe Pearls kurta buttons, and they were looking stunning, absolutely beautiful.
Yes.
So it's not that pearls are only for women. Even men can carry pearls. They can wear a nice pearl with a gold enameling on the side, and they can adorn it as a cufflinks.
Yes.
You know, so there are very different ways of wearing pearls.
You can wear after your wedding as well. You know, it's for permanent thing. Yes, of course.
Exactly. I think you should come out of that zone of gold. You know, try something different, and trust me, it would look good.
Yeah, એક મને એવું હતું કે if somebody wants to buy one single thing, તો diamond સાથેનું pearls નું combination is for evergreen કે પછી જળતર સાથેનું જળતર કે પોલકી સાથેનું pearl નું combination is evergreen. What is your take?
Okay, you must have heard the phrase, right? કે મીઠું જે છે, right? એ જો વધારે પડી જાય તો ખારું થઈ જાય, right?
Yes.
Same thing like that.
Yes.
Same thing like that.
Yes.
Pearl, but મીઠા વગર કશું બને નહીં. Exactly same thing with pearl. You know, if you want to add pearl with anything, go for it. Pearl with diamonds, pearl with color stones, pearl with kundan, but too much is too bad. So you always have to blend it in a smartest way. Yes. You always have to blend it in the smartest way. I think pearl can go with everything. It is one thing which goes with Indian. It is one thing which goes with fusion, with Western, with everything.
Yes.
Definitely. Yeah. So that time, what happens if you want to do it with diamonds, you must go with the golden tone pearl, which is South Sea or Akoyas or freshwaters. Freshwaters are again, you know, the white creamish tone. South Sea is a yellowish tone. So warm color with white diamonds goes well. If you want to do pearl with ethnic, then you must use fresh waters because of the shape, because of the color. Yes, don't use Akoya with Indian styling like ethnic designs. Yes, so it always goes like that. The small size pearls looks good, which is called Kashi. Basra pearls. You must have heard the phrase Basra pearls. So Basra pearls. We use maximum Basra pearls for the Indian style of jewelry. Yeah, the long ones, we use the Basra strands.
Okay. So I knew so much about pearls now. I'm so happy. It's addition to my knowledge.
Me too. I'm also happy to share all these things with you. I think, I think when next time we talk something, I would like to also show some of the pearl charts. That these are the tones. Yeah, these are the tones. These are the shades.
Yes, definitely. It's so informative. I'm so happy.
Same here.
Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining and see you very soon.
Of course.
Anesi, my post.
Yeah, I know. I feel you're getting beautiful pearls.
Okay, Gina, thanks for connecting and see you very much soon. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Nice to
Bye-bye.
meet you. Thanks for the information. Thanks for information.
Absolutely, dear. Bye-bye.